Action kami, be.
I'm going to call my friends.
Malakas ah.
Hello, best friend. It's me, Robin.
How could you ever even
Application.
try?
With your other friends.
I don't wanna tiptoe, but I don't wanna hide. But I don't wanna feed this monstrous fire. Just wanna let this story
I think
die,
you bye.
and I'll be alright. We can't be friends, but I'd like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens, wait until
Action time.
this monstrous fire. Just wanna let this story
I don't like you
die,
super.
and I'll be alright.
Ew, I don't like to be
Be
friends.
friends.
We are
To just pretend.
nothing best
Cling to
friends.
your papers
Ano klase ng best friend?
wait until you like me again.
Napakapangit mo maging best friend. Lalo na,
I'll wait for your
ako
love.
sa video mo.
Nakakainis ko na talaga. Sana hindi na kita naging best friend kasi sana hindi naging kita naging kilala. Tandaan mo yun ah.
It's just me and you.
Di na ako magpapakanta guys. Okay lang ba?
Ang ganda na ngayon ng araw na to ah. Wala yung kaibigan ko plinas ako. Etong flower na to, na sticker, didikit ko banda dito sa bundok na ginawa ko. Para sa kanila. Para wala siya sa buhay ko.
Kumusta kaya si Bessie? Hay nako. Sana nga hindi ko na siya naging kaibigan dahil napakapangit talaga niya. Tapos ayaw ko yung mukha niya. Naiinis ako, nakakairita. Sana nga hindi ko na siya naging kaibigan. Hindi ko na din siya naging kailala. Yun na sana eh. Wala na sana naging problema. Sana wala na naging problema. Sana hindi naging
Continue for part 2!
Pakita natin kay mama.